Hey folks, today I'm diving into one of the largest protest movements we've seen in years, hands off. On April 5, 2025, millions of people took to the streets across all 50 states and even internationally. So what's got everyone so fired up? Let's break it down. First off, the protests are a direct response to what many see as attacks on American rights and freedoms by the Trump administration and Elon Musk. Yes, you heard that right, Elon Musk. The tech mogul has been a controversial figure since taking on a role in the Department of Government Efficiency. These protests weren't small by any means. Over 1,400 events took place, including major cities like London and Paris joining in. The numbers are staggering, with nearly 600,000 people signing up to attend. So, who's behind this massive movement? A coalition of civil rights groups, veterans, women's rights advocates, labor unions, LGBTQ+ groups, and indivisible. They've got three core demands: an end to the billionaire takeover, stopping federal cuts to programs like Medicaid and Social Security, and halting attacks on marginalized communities. We saw some heavy hitters in D.C. Reporter Jamie Raskin criticize Trump's policies, Reverend Ilhan Omar urged everyone to fight for their beliefs, and Representative Maxwell Frost called for action against what he labeled as authoritarianism. The Trump administration isn't just facing backlash on spending cuts and job losses. Protesters are also pushing back against aggressive immigration policies, climate rollbacks, and changes in gun regulations. And let's not forget, federal workers are feeling the heat too, with over 121,000 fired as of last month. Labor unions are up in arms as well, condemning policies that affect collective bargaining rights. A lawsuit has even been filed to challenge these changes. In the midst of all this, Elon Musk has been a lightning rod for criticism. His role in the government and statements about federal spending and foreign aid have only fueled the fire. So what happens next? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear: people are demanding change and they're not backing down. Stay tuned for more updates and let's keep the conversation going. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. Catch you in the next video.